Harry, if you had a house on the Lake Arrowhead, would you buy a 200-foot yacht for that property?
I don't even know what you're saying, Arvin.
Welcome to the channel where most people don't know what I'm talking about. I tell you 3 things I like about a property, 3 things I don't like about a property in a short 3-minute video so you can binge watch them after each other. Today's episode, we're reviewing 117 34th Street, Manhattan Beach, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, yeah.
7-bedroom, 10-bath, 7,605 square foot, listed for a whopping $37 million. Whoa. On a over 10,000 square foot lot. And before I tell you 3 things I love about this property, you should know that the content of this video is my personal opinion. It's educational entertainment purposes. I don't guarantee the accuracy of information. Hell no. You should contact the listing agent over here. Okay, the 3rd thing I absolutely love about this house is the entertainment spaces. You've got barbecue over here, you have a patio over here, you have a freaking game room, you have a movie theater. You don't get normally all this stuff in Manhattan Beach. You know, it's very rare to get this much stuff in Manhattan Beach, and that's awesome. The 2nd thing I absolutely love about this house is the fact that it's on a double lot, 10,000 square foot and more in Manhattan Beach on the walk streets. What do you want? The number 1 thing I absolutely love about this house is a swimming pool. Having a swimming pool in Manhattan Beach is like having a cake and having the cake too.
Like having your cake and being
eating
able
it
to
too.
eat it.
Cake and eating it too. You know what I'm talking about.
There
Okay.
it is.
3 things I don't like about this.
Hang on,
property.
Arvin. What does ZipSmart have to say about this property?
According to 𝐷𝐵Smart.ai, demand is down 32% and supply is up 9%. Do you understand what that means?
Ooh.
Do you see like
Inventory's piling
do
up?
I have to do my eyebrows like this for you to get it? Things are shit is hitting the fan, ladies and gentlemen. You should be monitoring your zip codes, your county, your information. Sign up to ZipSmart.ai. Okay, 3 things I absolutely don't like about this property. Number 3 is the low ceilings. Look, in a lot of the rooms over here, for a $37 million property, the ceilings are very low. It's just not ideal. You don't have the volume. I mean, $37 million in a lot of other neighborhoods would get you a freaking mansion, and doesn't matter if you were 8'2", you would still fit in these rooms. And this one, you're not gonna fit in. The 2nd thing I don't like about this property is views. Now you lost your mind. You're like, Arvin, you've lost it. It's got ocean views. It's not ideal. Not for 37. Yeah. I want ocean front views. This is overlooking rooftops views. That's not 37 million for me. The number 1 thing I don't like about this property is with $37 million, you're not oceanfront and you don't have privacy. Take a look at Exhibit A, right here. You see this house? Green screen me in. This house looks right into the backyard. I'm not okay with that. I do not endorse this. This hedge is too low. But that's the problem with Manhattan Beach. It's like, is it right to buy a 200-foot yacht for Lake Arrowhead? No, I don't think you should. I don't think it's appropriate to spend this much money in Manhattan Beach unless you're just like, your father is there, your mother is there, all your kids are there, all your ancestors are there, you're planning to have your whole dynasty living over there, and that's the place you want to be. This is just an anomaly, and it's not even on the beach. It makes it very, very difficult to buy, and it's very, very hard to price. If you want my help to price it, you can reach out to me. Here's my information. I would love to be a resource to you. And if you like this video, this part of the video is interactive. You get to click on boxes. You've never seen this before. Click. You can subscribe to the channel. We appreciate your support. Or visit ZipSmart.ai. We would love for you to use this software to help you make better, smarter real estate decisions. See you in the next one. Get out of here.